know that you may be cuddling up to cancer-causing chemicals every night? Your laundry detergent leaves a toxic residue on everything you wash. And what's even worse is that we willingly pay a small fortune to chemical companies to be exposed to these toxins.
Stick around for a minute. I want to introduce you to a revolutionary way to do the laundry that allows you to completely eliminate your need for laundry detergent forever. And I mean it, forever. This is the magnetic laundry system. Put these nifty blue magnets into your washing machine and you never have to buy laundry detergent ever again.
You can protect your health from the toxic chemicals in your detergent while saving a ton of cash because these magnets will last you a lifetime.
Clever chemical companies have been telling us for years that the only way to get anything clean is with their toxic cleaners.
But the truth is that water is the universal solvent. It's the one doing all the cleaning around here. All detergent does is enhance water's already existing cleaning powers.
How the magnets work is by changing the surface tension of water, essentially making it wetter and more slippery. This allows for water to get deep into fabrics and remove odors and stains.
And this is actually how soaps and chemicals work too. They lower the surface tension of water. So in the end, it's not the detergent getting your clothes clean, it's the water.
So if you want to stop relying on soaps and detergents, scroll down right now and get yourself a set of these magnets.
Now, recent advances in water science have shown us that powerful magnetic fields, like the magnetic laundry system, can make water more effective at cleaning, leaving you with clothes that are not only clean, but super soft because they're chemical residue free.
And these aren't your regular old fridge magnets, they are at least 300 times stronger, and they are patented and proven to work.
So if you'd like to make the greener living switch, scroll down and pick up the magnetic laundry system today. It's totally risk-free with our 60-day money-back guarantee.
Start saving money, protecting your health, and helping out the environment with every load of laundry you do. Just stick these 2 blue magnets in the washer and never think about it again. It's that simple.
Thanks for tuning in. Till next time.